Guys, don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 160,000 subs. Welcome to my fans on TV. It's the Petro Premiership. Kaizer Chiefs 1, Sikukune 3. I'm joined by Upram 2.
Sure, Stivo.
Sure, man.
Mina into ngizoyisho bafethu we win as a team and siluza as a team. Yeah, so ama-mistake ayenzakala emuva ayiwo la sikhostile. I mean, we knew ukuthi uRobla uyayihlupha iKaizer Chiefs as well nayo uThinkla une-upper hand kwi-Chiefs. As long as adlala ne-Chiefs uyawina. Yeah, so into bekumele sizi-accepte leko, but other than that ilose siyayithatha simuvela siyaphambili.
Ngiyakubamba.
Sure.
Man of the match.
Man of the match uye lo mfana lo wesikhukhune lo umbagwaza.
Bradley.
Yeah.
Problem.
Sure. Uye loyo man of the match.
Usazoyithatha iligi?
No, mina indaba yeligi angeke ngithi sizothatha iligi.
Ngiyakubamba.
Yeah, sizo-challenge eligini.
Ngiyakubamba.
So we are going to fight for better position.
Ngiyakubamba.
From number 5 to number 1, that is a better position.
Ngiyakubamba. Thank you,
Sharp.
Thank you,
Sorry, Makosi.
Yeah, sure.
Sharp.